Sophomore Rodney landed. Number 20, 157-pound senior Chuck Knips. Number 22, 141-pound sophomore.
Yeah, they're weak a little bit.
Number 14, 155-pound senior.
For what? Get it! Get it!
Pitch to Heller, but there's a flag on the play. All right.
Get him.
Get the ball out to the 27. about the 34.
Get him, guys, get him, right there.
About the 37-yard line. Cover the ball carrier, get the ball out beyond the 40, and it's going to be enough for a Mustang.
Get him, guys, get him, right there.
The ball down. And that's the end of the first quarter.
Get him, guys. Way to go, wide. Okay, block. We're going to go out.
The left side, and he's brought down just beyond the 40. Wiegert carries the ball down to the 36-yard line. He picks up the Mustang first down.
Get him, guys, get him!
Wiegert carries the ball down.
Get him, guys, get him!
Brad Heller goes off the left side and gets the ball down. 20.
Tell him, Betty. Tell him we're there.
Sounded good.
Yes, it did.
Second line carries the ball, gets it down to play.
You gotta pass that ball.
Let's go,
Come on, Dave, bud.
Yeah. couple of good blocks. Going on the left side. He gets the ball down to the 13-yard line. Comes around the left side. Looks like he's going to be run out of bounds at about the 30-yard line.
They don't come Rodney's way.
Wigert gets the carry and gets the ball down to the just beyond the 25. Carries the ball down to the 15-yard line, and he picked up the Mustang first down.
Hey, wake up, Trump! No one knows where the ball is.
Benner's on the end around, gets it down to the 9. Check line keeps the ball and drags the tacklers down to the 5.
Two touchdowns, that's when the head there was coming.
All these guys. Yeah, that's good. You probably went a lot more than that.
Wigert on the carry. Going to be at about the 1. Brad Hillip is going to be in the end.
Let's go!
That's a little razzle.
And it's a double pass. Down to about 3. short kick is recovered by the Roosters. Picks up a couple of blocks and gets down to the 25.
Go defense!
Fumble on the play. Second line recovered it. There's a flag on the play.
Go! Hit somebody!
Pitches to Grant Heller, and he gets the ball down to the 3.
Oh my God!
And Uyghur.
I didn't even know. I didn't know where to go. Let's go, Jorge! Hold on!
Heller makes it in for the extra point. That makes the score 64 to 32.
Quick, keep going! Hit the ball, you Andy!
This time the kick is recovered by the Mustang.
Get the game! Go! Just do that!
Go for the ball, guys.
Uyghur goes off the right side. He's going to pick up about a yard.
Come on!
That's intended for Keller, falls incomplete. Dropped in the backfield by Grant Heller.
Come on, Jay! Throw it!
Thibodeau scrambled around long enough to find Keller open.
There you go.